exposing the secret to endless fun on YouTube. Hit that subscribe button. Our channel's packed with epic content, exclusive tips, and a vibrant community. Don't miss out. Subscribing gets you front row seats to all the action. So what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button now and join the fun.
Beetles are everywhere, but we don't always see them. They live in a world hidden beneath our feet, in the soil, under leaves, and inside trees. There are more types of beetles than any other insect. In fact, 1 in every 4 animals on Earth is a beetle. Imagine a creature with a suit of armor. This armor helps them survive. They have strong legs for digging and crawling, and some have wings hidden under their armor for flying. Beetles are amazing little creatures. Beetles come in all shapes and sizes. Some are tiny, like the head of a pin. Others are big, like your thumb. They come in every color imaginable, bright reds, yellows, and blues. Some even shimmer like jewels. There are beetles with huge horns, like miniature rhinos. Others have long antennae, like whiskers. Some beetles even glow in the dark. With so many different types, it's no wonder beetles are so successful. Beetles live all over the world, from hot deserts to cold mountains. You can find them in forests, meadows, and even your backyard. They live in the ground, in trees, and even underwater. Some beetles prefer to live alone, others live in groups like little colonies. Wherever they live, beetles play an important role in their habitat. They are a vital part of the natural world. Beetles are nature's cleaners. They help to break down dead plants and animals. Think of them as tiny recyclers. They eat dead wood, leaves, and even dung. This might sound a bit yucky, but it's very important. Beetles help to keep our forests and fields clean. They turn dead matter into nutrients that enrich the soil. This allows new plants to grow. Section 5. A beetle's menu from dung to flowers. Not all beetles eat dead things. Some beetles are vegetarian. They munch on leaves, flowers, and fruit. Others are predators, hunting smaller insects for food. Some beetles have a very specific diet. The panda ant, for example, only eats one type of bamboo. Beetles have adapted to find food in all sorts of places. Section 6. Strange and wonderful, unusual beetle behaviors. Beetles have some amazing abilities. Some beetles can swim using their legs like paddles. Others can even fly backwards. Did you know that fireflies are actually beetles? They use light to communicate with each other. It's like their own special language. Some beetles even pretend to be dead to avoid predators. Section 7. Friends and foes, beetles in the web of life. Beetles are an important part of the food chain. They are food for birds, bats, and other animals, but they also help to control populations of other insects. Some beetles help to pollinate plants. Just like bees, they carry pollen from flower to flower. This helps plants to reproduce. And beetles play many different roles in their ecosystems. Section 8. Beetles in peril, threats to their survival. Sadly, some beetles are in danger. Their habitats are being destroyed by deforestation and pollution. Climate change is also a threat to beetles. Pesticides used to kill insects can harm beetles too. We need to protect beetles and their habitats. They are too important to lose. Section 9. Small creatures, big impact. Why we need to protect beetles. Beetles may be small, but they have a big impact on our world. They're essential for healthy ecosystems. They help to clean up the environment, pollinate plants, and provide food for other animals. By learning more about beetles, we can appreciate their importance. We can all do our part to protect these fascinating creatures. Every little bit helps.